So very early this morning, I look on my phone and then nakita ko ng mga posts ng alam mo yung mga namatayan, ganyan. Tas the audacity of the people na sila yung unang nagpo-post doon sa mga namatayan and posting the dead bodies ng bata, ng matanda, ng... Did you even consult na the concerned person na i-flaunt nyo on the social media yung mga mukha nila? Diba? Parang it's so disrespectful and you were hiding behind condolences. Diba? Parang it's not a good thing that you are posting the faces of those dead people online. For what? Diba? For clout chasing. Para kunwari, they could send their condolences. I think it's very unethical and you have to make a consent first. It's really not good, diba? That you will be seeing your faces, the dead faces of your loved ones on social media. I don't know, it's buti nga sana kung ikaw kamag-anak hindi ka naman kamag-anak. It's not really nice.